Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2011 Jeep Cherokee Laredo, stock reference number 4446. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand xenon headlight, right hand fog light. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door also appears to have no damage. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with tow bar cutout, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, lumen module. Right hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.